Welcome. In this video I'm going to go over the procedure to tear down and pack this core 9-person tent. And if you're currently looking to buy one of these, I'll put a link below to this on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. I'll also put a link below to some other videos I've made on this tent. So I'll be demonstrating different things and then I'll probably speed up the video because it'll be repetitive. So the first thing I'm going to do is go around the tent and I'm going to remove the stakes except for the four corners. I missed the stakes here and here, though I normally would have stakes there. Okay, now I'll put those back in the stake bag. And you may have noticed some of these weren't pushed in the ground very far. Usually I do push them in the ground most of the way. I still leave a little bit out that I can grab, but next I'm going to slide this all the way to the top. This is the line on the fly. It'll just make it a little bit shorter. You can leave them out if you want to. So if you look at this, there's one that goes from top to bottom, the other has the knot. You want to hold on the bottom part. It's hard to show on camera with two hands, so I'm holding that with the hand I'm holding the camera with, and I'll slide the orange part up. Like so. Now I'm going to loosen all these, so I'll just pull up on this black tab. Next I'm going to loosen up this Velcro that's holding the fly to the pole. And I'll make sure the Velcro gets placed back together. Next I'm going to remove these clips from one side, and when I say one side I mean the long side, so I'll unclip 3 of these. Now I can pull the fly off. So you can see it's still attached to the tent in those 3 places. That helps keep it from blowing away. So there's no specific rule for how to fold this. I'll unclip it from the tent and I'll just fold it in half a number of different ways that looks nice until it looks like it'll fit in the bag. Okay, so I have that back in the bag. Now I'm going to press the little green buttons here, 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 all the way around to collapse it. Okay, so now these corners I'm going to press in, like so. And we do still have these staked at the 4 corners. And you'll probably want to shake off any bugs or spiders. We get a lot of crickets in our backyard here. Take out these 4 final stakes. So the top of this is mesh, but I also like to unzip the windows just a little bit before I put it down. So this is where we're at right now. So I'm going to take the 4 corners and I'm going to fold them towards this. So I'm going to take that and fold it up towards that. So now this should go down a little bit better. like so. So this part right here is one of the corners near the top of the tent. So there's one of these on each side. So I folded it here. And next I'm going to take this here and I'm going to move it up towards the center. And I'm going to back the camera out while I do this so you can see it. So I pulled the four corners up towards the middle, and I also pulled the middle sections towards the middle. Once I got them all to the middle, I just dropped it on its side. Now I'm going to roll it up. It's going to be kind of awkward, but it'll roll up into a kind of a rolled up tent shape. Now I'm going to set it in the bag, and I'll bunch it in while I'm zipping it up. So as I'm zipping this, I'm going to pull the zipper together and then zip it up. I don't want to pull it together with the zipper. And there we go, it's all in the bag ready to go. So if you put it away while it's wet, you got to make sure that you take it out and get it aired out as soon as possible when you get home from your camping trip. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.